Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide WhatsApp chats without deleting them. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to hide your chats without deleting, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just select the chat which you want to hide. For example, I'm going to hide this one, just keep a long press on it. And here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then go for lock chat. Once you have that, you just have to tap on continue, or if you haven't any screen lock, so you must have to make a screen lock first. So open your settings and here just go for security and privacy, then go for lock screen and here just create a lock screen password. Once you have created, now you can easily lock your chats. Just keep a long press on the chat, then select three dots in the top right corner, go for lock chat, select continue, and here just enter your pin, password or pattern which you have, and your chat will be hidden. So now you just have to open the WhatsApp, and here you can see there is no any chats just like that. Now I'm going to get them. Just scroll down and you'll get the lock chat section. Tap on it, then enter your login password and your lock will be opened. So in this way, you can easily hide any WhatsApp chat without deleting. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.